this beautiful little girl is called Melly. Now, oh dear, oh dear, she's a little bit frightened of me.
Oh dear, Melly.
Yeah, she's there. And do you know, she looks, do you remember we had a cat who used to visit us called Lucky? And he was killed in mysterious circumstances. Well, she looks like she could be the child of Lucky, but also our cat in Jakarta, who's called Molly. Yeah, but she's absolutely beautiful. She's beautiful. Yeah, isn't Melly lovely?
Melly.
Look, there she is. There she is. There's Melly. Yeah. Oh, what a lovely